Hey everyone, Angie Ravenel here. I just want to share with you the reasons why you need to create an online course. If you're interested, keep watching. All right, you guys, let's get started. I am going to give you my top 11 reasons why you should create an online course. So I'm going to jump right into this. It's in no particular order. Reason number one, it indicates that you have enough expertise in your niche that you could teach a course on it. You know, people have been telling you you're great at this. You feel that you are great at something. You feel that you are an expert on it. Now you can teach others. That's reason number one. Reason number two is it's not difficult to create an online course. Before all this software was involved and before people like myself were available, to even teach others, it was a little difficult. But now it is easy or easier to create an online course. Reason number three, you will have more time. If you create that stellar course, you guys, you will have more time with your family, for vacations, more time to relax. What a great reason to create an online course. Reason number four, you may only need to do it once. You can sell it again and again. You know how people have that number one book or number one song. They can just sell it again and again. It doesn't get old. You too can be that person. My next reason is mostly everyone have something they can teach, right? Most people are great at something. Most people are an expert at something. If you are that person, you need to create an online course. Next, in 2019, the online industry was worth 200 billion with a B. That was back in 2019. It has grown since then. That is another great reason why you should create an online course. Reason number 8, reach more people than you could work with, meaning your hands are not going to go but so far. You can't do business with everybody. So building an online course will allow you to do that. You'll be able to work with more people. Reason number 9, you have reached your client capacity. You're not even taking any more clients, right? You're not able to travel as much or teach as much or whatever it is that you're great at. You've reached your capacity. So how can you reach more people? And that's by creating an online course. And reason number 10, you have a small budget. It doesn't take a lot of money to create an online course, and I can show you how to do just that. And my last reason, you are good at computers. Let's just say you have some sort of know-how or knowledge. You know how to download or upload software. You're pretty handy when it comes to the computers. You can create an online course. There you have it. Those are my top 11 reasons, not 10, but 11 reasons why you should create an online course. You guys, there is money to be made out there. If you are an expert or you feel that you know a certain niche, a lot of people are asking you, how do you do this? How, calling and asking you all the time. Put it in a course and monetize with that course. I'm Angie Ravenel with Excel Continuing Education, and I will show you how to create an online course.